Okay, this is Macy's at Boulevard Mall, and its final days. Let's take a final ride on the elevator. It's an old Campbell Dover. Alright, back down to 1, get a cab view. You can actually see in the fan. Yep, this store is in its final days. It's gonna be gone in a few weeks as of taping this. So this is the final ride. Macy's Boulevard Mall, Amherst, New York. Look at these buttons, these are really interesting buttons. 3,500 pound capacity. We're gonna end on the second floor so that way you can hear that motor again. And here we go. Look at the in-use light there. There's your call station. There it goes.